Solve the equation using the square root property or by completing the square. The quantity 7x plus 3 squared is equal to 25. Since we have the square of a quantity equal to a constant, we'll use the square root property, which in this case tells us that 7x plus 3 is equal to the square root of 25, or 7x plus 3 is equal to negative the square root of 25. Now we'll solve both of these equations. We'll start with the first equation. We evaluate the square root, and we have 7x plus 3 is equal to 5. We subtract 3 from both sides to get 7x is equal to 2, and then we divide both sides by 7 to get x is equal to 2/7. Solving the second equation, we evaluate the square root to get 7x plus 3 is equal to negative 5. We subtract 3 from both sides of the equation to get 7x is equal to negative 8. And then we divide both sides by 7 to get x is equal to negative 8/7. We can check that both of these solutions do satisfy the given equation, and thus the solution set is the set containing negative 8/7 and 2/7.